The ignition key is kind of stiff. Turn it. See how it slows come back. And see if I can clean this up. We can just pop this off. So let me try that. Okay, so there's a hole here. Turn the key to on. With the key off, this can't go in. You need it in the on position. In this position, you can feel when you push it down, you can see that moving. Alright, so I was having trouble pushing this in. I bent it a little to get leverage. And then when I had it in and I felt the hole that this could go down in, then I pushed it all the way, and then I kind of felt the clip opening. And there it is. You can see this mechanism here. I guess that's a clip. I didn't know what I was doing. But as you press on it, you can see it releasing this. So this is in the on position. And see how that piece sticks out? You press on it and it gets lower. To clean up all of this, get some contact cleaner and clean up all of this, spray down that, wipe that out. I'm going to unclip this tiny clip so I can get this out. I'm going to use electrical contact cleaner as well as some isopropyl, and I'm going to clean off all the gunk. I've used these for locks. I use them for all my outdoor locks. All the locks that I've used this on, it has worked great. 3-in-1. Spray it off. Spray some of this contact cleaner. I have a small brush and a cloth. I'm going to put this in here and try to get up as much as I can. Spray this off. Trying to get up as much as I can before trying to get out that old residue. Let me try cleaning up this portion here. Just trying to make a little splash guard here to prevent my splashing. Splash guard. I'm going to spray and brush. Alright, so I've used a combination of spraying my contact cleaner, using my brush, using a cloth to catch up as much, spraying down in there, and then just really blowing air into everything. And there's residue that comes out on my rag here. Like I've cleaned it up enough now. Alright, so I have some alcohol in here. Brush on the alcohol first, get off the old grease, trying to get it down into all the cavities. And now this is on the outside that I'm brushing it. Work it into all the cavities and trying to loosen up everything. Then I'll take it outside and I'll spray it down. Alright, so now I'm going to use some contact cleaner and then blow. I'm going to pour some oil in here, trying to work it into all the cavities that I can. Really work it in. So I'm really trying to soak everything here in this oil. So I have my screwdriver here. Just rotate this, rotate. I'm going to spray some when I rotate. Might be too much oil, might have some oil dripping on my floor. I might need to put something to catch oil under this. I've oiled it enough, so now I'm going to put back the cylinder in. I have my Lux cylinder. Let's put some more on the outside. Right, going to plug this back in here. As I'm pushing this back in. To get it back in, I had to put it back in the on position and push this in to get a clip in enough. And I stick it in, the key wouldn't come out, so I had to like really push it in and jiggle it so that it locks in place. This is not solving my slow key return. There it is. My key is still returning slowly. I'll see if over time some of that load works its way down. But there it is. So it might be internal to this mechanism, but we'll see. I think the issue mainly occurs when it's cold. So we'll see. I need to now wipe up all the excess and clean up, and then put a rag underneath in case I get any dripping.